stop guessing on room 40 and prove you are not a dum-dum. This is exactly how you beat it without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you to follow the arrows pointing toward the safe zone, which is a total fake-out designed to trigger a massive floor drop. Before we enter the room, you need to understand the logic of the silent key, or you will just get stuck again. Here at Rexish, we know you've been grinding through these levels, and you need a solution that works right now, so we're going to do this hand in hand and step by step, so you cannot fail. This puzzle is designed to trick your brain with a loud ticking clock that builds pressure, but the secret trick that other creators missed is that the door is actually unlocked by the shadow cast by the overhead beam. You need to ignore the colorful switches on the floor and walk directly into the darkest corner on the right side of the door, then stay zoomed in on your character's head until the interaction prompt appears on the blank wall. This method clears a logic gate and tells the game engine that you found the secret bypass instantly without any technical headaches. This is the fastest way to clear the room and makes your progress toward the higher levels feel snappy and reliable again. Rexish is dedicated to finding the simplest paths to solve these Roblox puzzles so you can stay ahead of the game and stress-free. If you want the next level solution or the answer to room 41, just leave a comment below.